Hello and namaste. Welcome in the marathon. Today we are going to deal with the question, what is one tail versus two tail. So the tail in terms of any distribution refers to end of the distribution of the test statistic. So these are the figures. We will have a discussion on them. Now the blue shaded area of the distribution are the tails. So this is a tail. We have got it here, one tail. We have got this one and two tail over here. So obviously the name suggested rightly, one tail distribution, two tail distribution. The image where both the ends of the distribution is shaded, it is known as two tailed, and where the one end of the distribution is shaded is known as one tailed. The distribution patterns like T distribution and the Z distribution are two tailed, whereas asymmetrical distributions like chi-square distribution and F distribution will have only one tail. So we'll have this chi-square and F distribution only one tail because they are known as unsymmetrical distribution. Wherein the T distribution and the Z distribution, they will have the two tail distribution. One tail tests are also known as a directional test, whereas the two tail tests are also known as a non-directional test. Whether to use one tail test or two tail test question. By checking if whether to use both the negative and positive end of the distribution, we need to use two tail. If you need to use one directional comparison, we have to go for one tail. To check whether group A is both taller and shorter than the group B, then we need to use two tail test, wherein to see if the group A is taller than the group B, but without any interest in checking the group A is shorter than group B, then we need to use the one tail test. But if there is any doubt and are unsure if whether to use one tail or a two tail test, then it's better to go with a two tail test generally. Thank you. Happy learning.